Okay, you guys, we at Walgreens, second week in a row. Yay, it's raining. Not men, but it's just raining. Anyway, we're gonna go in here. I don't have a digital spin deal, but I do have a paper one. It's a spin 40. Ooh, come on. I know it's raining. Come on, you got it. There you go. It's a spin 40, get 9. So I'm gonna try to incorporate that. I'm not gonna do an in-store video. It's just, yeah. So I'm gonna come out like I did last week, and hopefully you guys can follow some of my deals. Anyway, stick with me. Let's see what we get today. Hey, you guys, it was an okay trip. I'm not gonna lie, we had a little hiccups. So my first deal I did the spin 40, get 9. I included that in my deal. All right, so Garnier and Crest and certain other things, I'll put a picture, I took a picture, are buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck. Now the first deal that I was gonna do was gonna be banging, y'all, but all my digitals didn't want to come off. So I don't know if you guys have used that Crest oral care digital 7 off 4 that we got a long time ago. If you have, let me know what works on it, okay? Does mouthwash work on it? Does toothbrushes work on it? What works on it? Because I tried it with toothpaste, but it didn't work, because I was actually gonna get 4 toothpaste and what is that, 4, 3, hold on one second, let me see how many, I gotta count. You guys, you don't know this, but I had to come home because, you know, we already look a little, you know, loony toony talking to ourselves, but we look really loony toony if we talking to ourselves and it's raining. Anyway, so what I was gonna do that did not work because that 7 off 4 digital didn't want to come off is I was actually gonna get 5 of these and then 4 of the toothpaste that are $4 because they're included with the buy 3 get a $5 cash rewards back. We have a 5 off 3 digital for these, and then a 2 off 2 digital for these, and then the 7 off 4 digital. That was going to be my first transaction. 5 of these, 4 of the toothpaste, 2 of these toothpaste, and there was something else in that transaction, but it didn't work. I think it was I can't remember what it was. It didn't work because my 7 off 4 didn't want to come off. So I switched it up, and I got, this is what I got instead. I got 3 of the Garnier, and then I got the Schick. Okay, so 3 of the Garnier, they're buy 3 get 5. I got the Schick, they're buy 2 and get 8. And then I got the Gain fireworks that are $13.99. They're buy 1 and get a $3 register reward. So the digitals I had were a 8 off 1 for the Gain. I had a 5 off 3 for the Garnier. And then I had 2 $4. As you can see, only 1 $4 came off. I don't know what's up these digitals. They want us to use these digitals, but they don't come off. Okay. But anyway, so it was supposed to be basically $25 before tax. So it wasn't. It was $28, $29 before tax, $32.42 after tax. But I did get back $22. Plus I got a $3 register reward. So what I got back was the spin 40 get 9. I got 8 for this and 5 for this, and then I got the $3 register reward for that. So what I had to call customer service because the manager, sometimes they'll take off the digital and then sometimes they won't. He didn't this sometimes. Managers are different in the same store. Okay, one person will do one thing, the other person won't. So I called customer service, and she seen I did have 2 digitals for this, so she did add $4 in points. So instead of the 22, I had 26. So that was my first transaction. Okay, and what I try to do is with Walgreens, it's not like CVS for me. I don't usually begin with a whole lot of stuff. I usually begin with nothing. Okay, and then I end with nothing. So anyway, that's my first transaction. You guys, my second transaction, I did these 2 right here, right? They're $10.99, buy 2 and get a $5 register reward. I did the L'Oreal. L'Oreal is 2 for $9 this week. We have, I had a 4 off 2 and a 3 off 2 digital. I'll explain that in a minute. Plus we have a 2 off 2 Walgreens coupon that you can clip. That's actual a Walgreens coupon that you can use. You should be able to use on top of the digitals. And then I did the Crest. Crest is $3, and when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. So I did this, and this in this transaction. Okay, I had the digitals that I did use were, I had a 5 off 50 for this, 5 off 50. I wish a $5.50 off for one, and then a $2 off for one. All right. And then I had a 3 off 2 for this. And guess what didn't come off? My L'Oreal. My L'Oreal digital did not come off. I'm being honest. I don't know if the L'Oreal digital didn't come off or the Crest. I'm pretty sure it was the L'Oreal, because I had a 4 off 2 from a long time ago, and then a 3 off 2 that came out this week. Neither one of them came off. I don't know why. Maybe you guys can tell me. So this manager, it's the same store, but a different manager came over. She took off the 3 off 2. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. It doesn't matter. They can be in the same store. Okay. She took off a 3 off 2. I used $20 in points. So I did pay $4.25. All right. And then I got back a $5 register reward for this and a $3 register reward for that. And one thing I did forget on my first transaction is that you can submit this to Ibotta. There's $1, so I got $2 back from my Ibotta with this. I'll post it in that little piece, okay? So that was my second transaction. And my third transaction, when I usually try to get my toilet paper, even though I haven't really been going to Walgreens. I need some more toilet paper and paper towels. I really don't have as much. I did have a ton because of CVS, and then they have gone. I wouldn't even use the word dwindling away. It's gone. So I have to, every time I go there, I try to get something. So these right here, Scott, is buy one get one half off. So that makes it $7.50. And these are $3. They're 3 for $8.49, which isn't bad for Arm & Hammer. So I got 3 of those. I like those. I like the pods, and I like the OxyClean. So they're 3 for $8.49. And then I got the buy one get one half off. I used my 5 for this, my 3 for this, and my 3 for that. And then I used $5 in points. So then I paid $1.25, and then I got, and now I didn't get anything. I'm leaving with $1.97. It's almost $2. So today there was a little hiccups. I mean, my first transaction, you guys, if that would have worked, that would have been banging. But I might have to use paper coupons, but I know a lot of people don't use paper coupons, especially at Walgreens, because they kind of a little bit stricter. And I wouldn't even say stricter, but it's just harder, especially if you have digitals. I haven't used a lot of paper coupons at Walgreens lately, but back in the day, I know. And back in the day, meaning just not that long ago, like a couple of months ago, if you clip digitals and you try to use paper coupons, they would remove your paper coupons and take the digital, even though your paper coupons is more than the digital. I don't know if it still does that. Maybe you guys can let me know. But I'm probably going to go back because I like the gel. I'm probably going to go back and do this deal because another spend 40 get $9 printed again. So, and we got coupons. We got 3 off 2 coupons for this. These we got $1.50 off in the paper this week, or there's a 3 off 2 in coupons.com, which when it comes to printables, they're a little iffy. Walgreens will go and look up the digital to make sure it's real, which I don't mind because it is, we know what's going on nowadays, but it's kind of a hassle. And yeah, and these right here, I don't know if every account got them or if just certain ones, but that's a really good deal, especially for this right here. So today, it was a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot. I think it was like maybe $38. Yeah. We got to get better at Walgreens, you guys. But we did get $2 back from Ibotta, so that's $36. So not too bad, especially for this big mama. Yeah, so anyway, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Stay up, stay blessed, be positive. I might have to do another video with paper coupons to see if we can do better on the price and getting the points back, because I feel like we could. But let me know, and I'll let you know if I can. I'm putting more pressure on myself. But anyway, you guys stay up, stay blessed, be positive. If you have any questions, let me know. I really appreciate you watching. Hopefully you guys can go out and do some of these deals, all digital. Hopefully you guys got the digital, and have a good one, okay?